our final day in Hong Kong with scrambled eggs and ham.
I didn't expect that toast can be this nice.
Lucky you ordered.
Yes.
It's not bad.
You want anything on your left?
I ordered pink blood pudding to try.
You probably need water.
Oh, yay, we got personal brew. I'll get a toast. Scrambled egg, yes. Can I get macaroni? Macaroni with ham? Yeah, one of these as well.
Thank you. Yay. It was so stressful ordering here, so they just treated us with the Chinese menu. They assume we are very familiar with Chinese. Then they're like, fix it. Okay, I give you the English menu.
Yeah. The service here is super fast, less than 2 minutes. Everything is on the table already.
Good morning. This is breakfast food.
We're having it for tea break. Here we have macaroni and ham, Hong Kong milk tea. This is toast with scrambled eggs and ham, buttered toast, and the steamed milk pudding.
Time to eat.
Okay, this is tea break in our mouth. It's nice, but the milk taste is not that strong. Yeah, the one we had in Yishun is nicer. There's a more fragrance to it. This is just like pudding that just melts. Yeah, not much taste. But not bad. Lucky you ordered.
It's good.
It's nice, yeah.
You were so skeptical of this.
Oh, the egg has a very strong taste. I don't know why. Too much butter or margarine or something.
Oh no.
Not very nice.
Milk tea.
Hong Kong milk tea is nice. I love it more than Singapore milk tea.
What is Singapore milk tea?
The normal tea. I'm so glad they gave us this bonus. It's so messy. Everything moving so fast around.
I like this.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. I didn't expect that toast can be this nice. It's just simple toast without like much filling or anything. But wow, it's the more you chew, the more flavor comes out. It's really good, like unexpectedly, but I realized that this shop don't sell bolo bun, egg tarts, this kind of Hong Kong desserts. So we still gotta find my bolo bun. That's my last thing to check out before I leave Hong Kong.
We passed by Kai Kai dessert again. That day we were damn lucky. See the queue now.
Wow, lucky we tried it already.
Yeah, that day we entered like less than 5 minutes. We were
Less
in.
than a minute.
Taking about a 20-25 minutes walk over to Mongkok area. Can find her polo bao there. And also last day shopping.
Oh man, we're going back. Ta-da! Okay, I don't know whether this is good. This is a very random buy.
Passed by some random shop on the street.
Yes. It's so crispy. It's so crispy on top, and the bread is very soft. Quality is not bad, yeah.
Not bad. It's warm. The bread is very light, fluffy.
As you already know, we keep our content real and relatable. You imagine this has to be funded somehow. That's where your subscriptions, likes and comments come into play because they genuinely do help the channel to grow, which means more honest content for you. Thank you. You want anything on your left? You shopping
Just for you.
This one. Anyway, this is Sneaker Street. Adidas, Nike, Jordan.
Converse, opposite, New Balance.
No wonder. I didn't know they really named it after all these shops. There's a mobile Softee there. Like, soft serve in a truck. Better than McDonald's vanilla cone.
And right on the next street, we have the Lady Street over there.
Oh my god, it looks so like so many things.
Let's go shop.
Thank you. Okay, got this.
I was telling her that okay, we don't know the price. If it's 50 Hong Kong dollars or below, then we'll buy. If not, we'll just walk away. So we asked, he quoted 80. 5 seconds later, he quoted, okay, why not 70? Okay, never mind. We just started walking away slowly.
I honestly wasn't very interested. He was the one who was like bugging me, hey,
Yeah,
just get.
Then the lady came and she just shouted from behind us, 50. Then I told her, yeah, 50, that's the price that I'm okay to pay for.
Yeah. I'm only getting this because he wants me to wear it.
That's it.
It's quite short. I thought there would be more. I thought it would be like Bangkok, Patana Market kind. So it's not that physically taxing, okay? Oh, I'm kind of relieved. As we walk the streets of Hong Kong these 3 days, we see a lot of people drinking this bubble tea brand. It's their homegrown bubble tea using that special milk brand that they use. The black and white milk that they use for Hong Kong milk tea. He's very into bubble tea here.
I only drink bubble tea when I'm overseas. Somehow, I don't know why. This is Smooth King, brown sugar milk tea with boba, cream cheese foam on top, and honeycomb.
You were just drinking yang cha yesterday.
Now I drink it. I expected a stronger brown sugar taste. The boba is nice. Yeah, but the tea itself is very light.
But does it live up to its name?
It's not bad.
A different kind lah.
Yeah, it's really different kind.
I can really taste the black and white milk that they use. It has like a slight sour aftertaste.
Yeah, she said it is based out of the Hong Kong milk tea. That's the base of it.
Yeah, like what we drink just now, it's the same sourness.
So this is our final day in Hong Kong. Tomorrow we'll be flying out already. Our flight is around 3 p.m. but we'll try and check out earlier so that we can head to the airport and check out the lounge.
Yeah! One more good thing to look forward to before heading back.
Yes, we'll show you whether this lounge is worth it and how you can get in. The crowd heading back is crazy. This is actually the first time we are coming out of Admiralty Station. This is where you can catch a cab. But there's a lot of people waiting for taxi. Hong Kong really has a taxi culture. And we'll be taking the bus from opposite.
chasing somebody. Hong Kong movie coming alive.
So we got this Octopus Card on the first day we landed in Hong Kong at the airport. This is the tourist card. It's 150 Hong Kong dollars. The card itself costs 39 and the rest of the $111 is credited into the card. So now after using it for these 3 days, we are left with 9 HKD of value inside. Just nice.
The buses are cheaper than taking the metro, and I think I also enjoy bus rides better.
Yeah, the bus is really clean.
Yes, the buses are so comfortable.
Yeah. Back with all her shopping.
Hey, yours too. This is yours. It's been with us the whole day.
That's our supper. I hope it's still in okay condition after flip-flopping the whole day.
All for your bread.
Oh.
Looks fine. A few blueberries dropped out.
Yeah, looks good.
Wow. Hey, let me take a photo.
Croissant.
Why you laugh like that?
I don't know, is it we left it out too long or it's a bit dry now. But it's not buttery enough.
You don't really taste the butter.
Nah.
No. Yeah, I hope the blueberry tart is good. No.
Blueberries are good.
Why are people queuing for it?
I saw some reviews that the sourdough egg tarts are good.
Sourdough egg tarts. Okay, something special and like Hong Kong related.
But I was only limited to 2 breads.
Get two. Next two.
After I ordered both, the cashier asked me, sourdough egg tarts? That just sound good, right?
Yeah. Your face don't look good.
I think it would have been a lot nicer hot.
We didn't have the stomach space then.
Good night.
It's 11 p.m. Why are you still eating?
Supper wasn't enough.
I'm like still so full.
I ordered 车仔面 on Food Panda from a 4.5 star store with 4,000 reviews.
Wow.
There's curry cuttlefish, brisket, radish. Oh yeah, this is pig blood
Oh
pudding.
my, you ordered it.
I ordered pig blood pudding to try.
It's like jelly.
Yeah, jelly like that. It's very smooth. It doesn't really have that strong a taste as I expected. Oh yeah, mushy. Yeah, it's not like irony taste. Or, nah. Here's your Switzerland braised wings. I don't know why they call it Switzerland wings. I don't understand why people like pig's blood so much. There's a fishy taste, very strong fishy taste when I bite to the center.
Fishy?
鱼腥味啊，腥味.
What is from a pig?
Overall, this is quite a good contender to yesterday's one. The noodles is really good. The brisket is awesome as well. Yeah, but I guess what is lacking is the radish isn't cooked enough. It's not soft enough. And the broth could use a bit more flavor in it. There's still so much more to show you, but that's all the time we have in this video. Stay tuned next week. On our way to the Chase Sapphire Lounge.
This is the bar. This is like the quiet area.
Very conducive to work.
We ordered these 2 dishes.
So flavorful. How long do they boil this for?
Their signature cocktails. It's all the way at the back. We are here. This one. Come on. It's very soft.
You in your...
I finished my concert.
So, yup, I think we will end up leaving Hong Kong without going up to the peak. I wanted to go out for sunset, but the weather is still really very cloudy now.
Yeah.
So might as well we take the time to walk around, appreciate the streets, yeah.
Yeah, you had to choose a location with total food smell. Oh, it's damn shocked.